Hanger. Hanger. Hang your shirt on the hanger. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. The alarm clock rings at 6. Lampshade. Lampshade. The lampshade is white. Mosquito net. Mosquito net. We sleep under the mosquito net. Carpet mat. Carpet mat. The mat is near the door. Footstool. Footstool. He rests his feet on the footstool. Jewelry box. Jewelry box. Rings are in the jewelry box. Shower. Shower. I take a shower every day. Bathtub. Bathtub. The bathtub is full of water. Sink. Sink. Brush your teeth at the sink. Tap. Tap. Turn off the tap. Towel. Towel. The towel is dry. Soap. Soap. I wash with soap. Shampoo. Shampoo. She washes her hair with shampoo. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. I have a new toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Put toothpaste on the brush. Razor. Razor. He shaves with a razor. Comb. Comb. She combs her hair. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. Use the hairbrush every day. Toilet. Toilet. The toilet is clean. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. There is toilet paper on the wall. Bucket. Bucket. Water is in the bucket. Mop. Mop. She cleans the floor with a mop. Broom. Broom. Use a broom to sweep. Dustpan. Dustpan. Put the dust in the dustpan. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. Clothes are in the laundry basket. Mirror cabinet. Mirror cabinet. The mirror cabinet is in the bathroom. Ceiling fan. Ceiling fan. The ceiling fan keeps the room cool. Table fan. Table fan. The table fan blows air directly toward me. Floor fan. Floor fan. The floor fan is perfect for large rooms. Dehumidifier. Dehumidifier. A dehumidifier removes moisture from the air. Humidifier. Humidifier. The humidifier adds moisture to dry air. Ironing board. Ironing board. She placed her shirt on the ironing board. Clothes iron. Clothes iron. He pressed his pants with a clothes iron. Sewing machine. Sewing machine. My mother fixes clothes with a sewing machine. Water filter. Water filter. The water filter makes the water safe to drink. Recliner. Recliner. He relaxed in his recliner after work. Rocking chair. Rocking chair. Grandma sits in her rocking chair every evening. Bean bag. Bean bag. The kids love sitting on the bean bag. Sideboard. Sideboard. The dishes are stored in the sideboard. Display cabinet. Display cabinet. She keeps her trophies in the display cabinet. Shoe rack. Shoe rack. Please put your shoes on the shoe rack. Coat stand. Coat stand. He hung his jacket on the coat stand. Divider screen. Divider screen. The divider screen separates the living area. Wall clock. Wall clock. The wall clock shows the correct time. Dining table. Dining table. We eat dinner at the dining table. Dining chair. Dining chair. He pulled out a dining chair to sit down. Placemat. Placemat. She placed a placemat under the plate. Tablecloth. Tablecloth. The white tablecloth covers the whole table. Napkin. Napkin. Use a napkin to wipe your mouth. Salt shaker. Salt shaker. Pass me the salt shaker, please. Butter dish. Butter dish. The butter dish is on the breakfast table. Sugar bowl. Sugar bowl. She added 2 spoons of sugar from the sugar bowl. Egg cup. Egg cup. He placed the boiled egg in the egg cup. Chopsticks. Chopsticks. She eats noodles with chopsticks. Skillet. Skillet. Fry the eggs in the skillet. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker. The pressure cooker cooks food faster. Rice cooker. Rice cooker. The rice cooker makes perfect rice every time. Electric grill. Electric grill. We cooked burgers on the electric grill. Sandwich maker. Sandwich maker. He toasted his sandwich in the sandwich maker. Food processor. Food processor. The food processor chops vegetables quickly. Mixer. Mixer. The mixer blends the cake ingredients smoothly.